Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by importing and organizing the clips you will motion edit. Make sure your project settings match your final output, such as 1920x 1080 at 24 FPS. Once media is in the bin, drag the main clip to the timeline and enable motion keyframes on the clip properties. This unlocks position, scale, rotation, and anchor adjustments. While doing this, set playback to half if your machine is slow. This speeds scrub and keeps edits fluid, so you can keyframe accurately. Now you build the movement. Place an initial keyframe for position and scale where the shot begins, then move the playhead and change values to auto-create the next keyframe. This is how you define motion. Make sure to apply ease in or ease out to soften starts and stops, and switch to the speed graph or Bezier handles to refine curves for natural acceleration. Once done, layer subtle rotation or opacity changes to sell the motion. Keep adjustments small to avoid jumpiness. Finish by scrubbing the timeline and previewing at full resolution to catch jitter or unintended shifts. Make micro adjustments to the anchor point or position keyframes to stabilize motion. Once satisfied, render a short in and out segment to verify timing and easing, then export using a codec and bitrate that match your delivery needs. If motion glitches, clear the cache, enable a higher quality proxy, or recreate the offending keyframes. This usually fixes popping or misaligned easing and keeps your final clip smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.